If you're someone who wants to run Facebook ads driving traffic into a ManyChat messenger bot, then you're going to want to keep watching this video because I'm about to cover a lot of the frustrations and cons that I have with the ManyChat and Facebook ads platform. So watch the entirety of this video before you decide to run your first Facebook ad driving traffic into a ManyChat messenger bot. So let's go ahead and jump into it. Let me real quick tell you who I am. My name is Ian Smith, and I run an Amazon marketing agency where we run a lot of Facebook ads, Google ads, build out messenger chatbots, do a lot of email marketing, and we overall help a lot of Amazon sellers rank higher, get more reviews, and overall scale their business. So if you want to book a free consulting call with me, then head over to evolvemedia.agency. All right, so let's go ahead and jump into the frustrations that I have with the Facebook ad platform and the ManyChat platform, and really just how they connect. And I'm just going to go ahead and vent a little bit on this video. So let's start off with glitches and errors that happen on the Facebook ad side. Now, a lot of times when I'm trying to build out a campaign, an ad campaign driving traffic into a ManyChat bot, I'm going to be using the messages campaign objective. Now, on the messages level, on the ad level, in a messages campaign, you can link in either a JSON code, or you can go the keyword route, which is basically like you build out the first message inside the actual ad platform. Then when they type in a certain keyword or they click a certain, quick reply type of message, it's going to put in a keyword phrase, and then that's going to trigger the ManyChat flow. Either way, none of those options really work. I've been having so many issues these days with glitches happening. So like the message, if somebody clicks on the actual ad, which first of all, they have to actually click on the actual button. If they click on the image part or the bottom left corner of the ad, nothing happens. It just glitches out. It does not work. And I've tested this across multiple client accounts, multiple pages, multiple ManyChat accounts, and the same issue has been happening now for the past 6 to 8 months. So it's an issue that is not being fixed, and it's very frustrating because it really hurts conversions. When somebody clicks on an ad, it does not send them the actual message. It says some little like, this page is trying to send you a message. That's what it says in the actual messenger platform, but it will not send the message. Now, it's different on the actual mobile platform versus desktop. Sometimes I even test with running desktop only type of Facebook ads to see if I can get a better conversion rate of people actually clicking on the ad and going into the message flow, but nothing seems to work. It's like it's getting the clicks. I can see that Facebook is giving me a ton of clicks, but when I look in ManyChat, there's like no message conversations being started, and I've tested it myself, and it's not working. So there's glitches when it's actually pushing people over from the Facebook platform to the actual message flow. The message is not being sent. If there is a message actually being sent, it will not have the quick reply button. It leaves out buttons. It's just very, very frustrating. Then let's say if I run some ads for a while and messages are actually somewhat being sent, when I go into the ads platform and look at the actual new messages, new conversations being sent, and try to look at some data to see, it's all empty. It's completely empty. Doesn't show me any kind of data as far as people actually starting conversations and going through the flows. And I know that the flows are happening because I can go into ManyChat and I can see, oh, these people are actually going through the flows. They submitted this custom field. They got tagged this. So some people are making their way through, but I don't know why we're having these kind of issues. Like Facebook ads and ManyChat have been around. They've worked together for several years, and it worked so much better back in 2019. But all of a sudden, maybe it's the EU cracking down. Maybe it's some big changes happening. I don't know what the deal is, but the conversions and the overall streamline, just like easygoingness of clicking a Facebook ad, being sent a message, then going into a message flow, it's gone. It doesn't work anymore. And until they make a massive effort to change this, I'm not a huge fan of using ManyChat chatbots anymore, because whether you are using Facebook ads or Google ads, it's difficult to get people into an actual ManyChat chat flow. And believe me, I'm only talking about the messenger side right now, because ManyChat is great for SMS texting so far as what I've seen, but I'm talking about messenger, building out message flows for the actual ManyChat messenger platform. Now here's another glitch / error that I just absolutely love, is these random quick replies just showing up in the actual message flow. Like at the bottom, it just says like, I'm interested in this product, or have a customer support question. Like they're just randomly generated quick replies, and it's another glitch. I've talked to other ManyChat experts to say, like, are you getting the same glitch? And yes, they are getting the same glitch. So what I've done is I had to go in there and delete the welcome message, delete the default reply, delete all the kind of auto, and then in the Facebook ads page, you got to delete all the automated responses, delete the FAQs, and then I think that actually works to delete it. This is an error that is like, you can't actually fix it. You just have to delete everything. Like, this is literally the solution that I found talking with other ManyChat experts, is you have to delete everything and then cross your fingers and hope that those quick replies, those random quick replies, just stop showing up. Then there are glitches and errors with the message tags. Now, when you get a message tag error, basically Facebook will just shut down your page and they will prevent your page from sending any messages for about a 7-day period. The first shutdown is temporary, thankfully. A lot of these shutdowns, I feel like, are triggered by Facebook's bots, and they're not accurate, because we will have the accurate message tag being used, but still the Facebook page will be shut down, flagged, temporarily paused. So you can try your best to use the message tags as best as possible, but still Facebook is going to find some kind of reason to shut down your Facebook fan page and prevent you from running campaigns. And when your business is relying on the success and the outreach and communication channel, you don't want to put your main communication channel on a glitchy platform. Whether the glitches are happening with Facebook on the Facebook page side, or with ManyChat, or with Messenger, who knows, but it's glitchy. It's not streamlined anymore. It's not working perfectly. So I personally am not a huge fan of ManyChat anymore. Now, there are other ways to use ManyChat. Obviously, like I said, SMS texting, email marketing, and there are other ways to get people into your Messenger flows. But Facebook ads just don't seem to be one of them that are working these days. Next, you got the 24-hour rule. Now, if you didn't know what the 24-hour rule basically means, is that somebody will message you on a Monday, they have 24 hours to engage with your page again, or if they don't, then that window will close and you are no longer able to message them unless it's for one of those message tag reasons, which is only 4 reasons. They're very rare. I mean, basically the chances of you being able to message them again for free are unlikely, not going to happen. So that means you have to pay to reach them by running an actual sponsored messages. That's a messages campaign objective in Facebook. Select the sponsored message option, and then you can send a message to everybody. But the downside about that is that if they unsubscribe from your bot, they're still going to get a message because they unsubscribe from your bot in ManyChat. So they will still get sent a message through the sponsored messages. So you're going to potentially make a lot of people mad because they were trying to leave you and you sent them a message because it was sponsored. So 24-hour rule really messed things up. Before the 24-hour rule was put in place, it was just awesome. I highly recommended ManyChat to everybody. It was similar to an email list. It was just great. Everything was happy. Now that the 24-hour rule is in effect and the message tags aren't working, and there's a ton of glitches with Facebook ads and trying to just drive traffic from Facebook into a ManyChat bot, it doesn't make me want to tell my clients to use that. A lot of clients come to me saying, hey, Ian, I want to set up a ManyChat chat flow. Can you help me out with this? And usually I'm like, hey, maybe we should just use landing pages and email marketing because you're going to waste some money trying to go the ManyChat route. All right, another glitch or just frustration is that you are constantly needing to refresh your page's permissions with ManyChat. If your chat flow stops working or you see people starting to have issues, go to the settings in ManyChat and refresh your page's permissions. This is like a regular thing that you just always need to be doing because again, it's a glitch, it's an error, but somehow the page gets disconnected or something, and then it doesn't necessarily tell you that the page was disconnected with this type of error. So you just need to go refresh permissions and just hope that that works. Also, there is no email or password that you can use with ManyChat to actually create an account like you would with all the other accounts out there. Basically, you have to use your Facebook profile, your actual Facebook account, to create your ManyChat account, and then you would link up all your pages through there. So this means that if you have a team of people, okay, let's say you have 10 different people that have access to your ManyChat, and one of those people actually connected your Facebook fan page to your ManyChat account, if that person gets pushed off the Facebook fan page, then your ManyChat will also get pushed off, and there will be no more connection between your ManyChat account and the actual Facebook fan page. So it relies on that individual one person's connection. So it's kind of frustrating. If only it was like there was a way to just connect the Facebook fan page to ManyChat outside of user profiles. If that wasn't the case, then that's fine. Maybe like you can have multiple people connect their Facebook fan, like go through that authorizing process, so that if one person left, it's not just going to disconnect the ManyChat from the Facebook fan page. Because when that happens, that means all flows stop working, nothing works, nothing gets sent, obviously, because ManyChat is no longer connected. So there's just, ManyChat is like heavily on the back of Facebook, and if any issue or glitch is happening with Facebook, that's going to cause ripples and cause issues with ManyChat. So it's just very hard to continue to invest money into the ManyChat platform by driving traffic to it and getting people to go. And I know that this is the messenger platform. It's not necessarily the ManyChat platform, but a lot is riding on this ManyChat, platform, ManyChat flows, when you have money that you're spending pushing people into it, and then you've got that current list of people that you want to keep the communication channels with. So bottom line is if you want to do any kind of chat marketing, whether it's ManyChat or one of the other platforms out there, get your customers or your prospective customers' email addresses. That is going to be your fail-safe. Get their email address. You can't even just rely on having them in a Facebook custom audience anymore, because Facebook will shut down your ad account like that. Like, they don't care. They don't warn you. They shut down your ad account, then you have zero access to all of your custom audiences, all your pixel data, everything that you spent a lot of money to actually gather, you're cut off. So email is going to be everything. Get your email list. That's an asset that you actually own. It can't necessarily be taken away from you super easily. Get everybody's email address, and then that is going to be your fallback when ManyChat glitches out, when Facebook ads glitch out, when Facebook ads kick you out because their bots determine that you're no longer a good fit for running ads or whatever. But that was just my video on venting about the frustrations I've had recently with ManyChat, with Facebook ads, with trying to drive Facebook ads into ManyChat, trying to just get some cool flows built out, trying to get some things to work, contact people. But yeah, those are my frustrations. Anyway, if you want to chat more about this to me, book a free consulting call with me by going to evolvemedia.agency. I look forward to chatting with you. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll catch you in the next one.